Hey guys, Willie Waltz Welding Factory here. Today we're going to be talking about flux core arc welding gas shielded.
What are the main key technique differences between flux core arc welding gas shielded and other gas metal arc welding processes, including problems and discontinuities? First off, flux core arc welding has the same functionality as gas metal arc welding. Unlike gas metal arc welding, flux core arc welding contains a wire that is filled with a flux-like material. This allows for a cleaner and more consistent feed that also grants a smooth and stable arc. Granted, with a few key technique differences, there are do's and don'ts of FCAW. Main thing to avoid is improper travel angle. Improper travel angle can cause slag inclusions, porosity, and worm trails. These discontinuities or defects can also be caused from improper cleaning. Worm trails are generally caused by trapped shielding gas or gases trying to escape the weld puddle that got trapped on the way out. This can also be porosity, but typically this looks like a burrow of an animal or worm trail through the weld to the surface. Why should you pick FCAW-G over other welding processes? FCAW-G is a very good choice for not only beginners but professionals as well. facw-g can be welded in position and out of position, allowing you to weld difficult areas easily. Granted, it is more expensive and requires more equipment, but not by very much. The quality of welds completely outweighs those differences, as even there is less cleaning of spatter. This in turn will save you time from cleaning to increase welding time, allowing you to make more money with the least amount of effort. A good example of frequent cleaning is flux core self-shielded, or FCAW-S. FCAW-S doesn't require shielding gas, thus allowing cheaper initial welding purchases, but its welding efficiency is greatly lacking. With FCAW-S, you're forced to clean your welds very often unless you use a spatter spray, thus wasting time, energy, and money that can be spent on more hood stickers or better lift kit for your POS truck. Another good reason is the skill gap between other welding processes. GTAW welding and SMAW welding are both processes that involve the welder using more skill and energy to achieve almost the same weld. With SMAW, or stick welding, you're required to not only control your angle, you're also required to maintain the arc length with the rod shortening over time, as its deposition rate is controlled by the arc/amperage, which can be difficult especially for out-of-position welding. GTAW, or TIG welding, has the same angle concept, but now not only do you control the arc/amperage with the foot pedal, you also control the filler metal/deposition rate of the weld. And as always, thank you for watching Willie Waltz Welding Factory.